Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the Touch 4 controller, which I have here attached to my torch, plugged into my trusty old Miller Syncrowave, and it plugs into the same connector that you would normally plug a foot pedal into, and the Touch 4 controller looks to the welder like a foot pedal. It's electrically identical to the foot pedal. Here is my foot pedal. As you can see, it's really dirty, really dusty. I haven't used it. I don't use the foot pedal anymore. I use the Touch 4 for all my welding. I want to show you how it's mounted here on the torch. As you can see, it's mounted a little bit around to the side, and that's so that as you put pressure on it to change the power level, you're not changing your arc vertically at all. There's very little motion required from the controller to change the power level, and very light pressure. I'm going right now, it's off, and I'll go through 4 levels of power to full power without really moving the arc, without moving the torch, and with just a very limited range of motion there. And that's why the Touch 4 controller works a lot better than the other controllers that are out there to mount on your torch. There are quite a few of them out there for sale, and they all use knobs or sliders, and they require you to take a finger and move the finger all around. They require a kind of motion that really disturbs your grip. Some of them require a really unusual grip to use. There's controllers with a belt that you're supposed to slide the belt around. And if you've tried one of these, they're better than nothing if you're doing out of position welding, but they really, I don't see how they can really be used. You can't change the power level while you're welding, or I've never been able to. Most people have never been able to do that. So let's see the thing in action. Okay, there I'm at power level 1, and I can stay at this power level. It's not really melting anything. It lights up my workpiece, and I can kind of get my bearings. If I'm welding on aluminum, I can stay at this level, and I can clean the aluminum. That's level 2, which is your drop back level. Level 3 should be melting a puddle. You see it starting there. And then level 4 is for when you need more heat. Like now, I'm starting to weld. So I'm going to be on level 4. I'm pulsing between level 4 and level 3. Actually, what I'm doing now is I'm imitating a pulse controller. So when I get to the end of my weld, I back off through level 3 and level 2 to level 1 to avoid a crater. And I'm finished. There.